Good morning, America. I'm Bill Weir.
She's done pretty well. I'm Kate Snow. It is Saturday, June 3rd, and coming up, she has no dark circles, but we do. Those of us that work on morning television, we got a lot of dark circles over here. Put down the coffee, put away the makeup. There's a new way to permanently get rid of the bags under your eyes. It's a procedure that leaves apparently no scars. It's not your mother's plastic surgery.
We'll have details on that.
Marisol, we turn now to important health news. Nearly 2 million plastic surgeries were performed last year. 230,000 of them were on eyelids alone. In fact, eye lifts are increasingly popular, and now there's an easier way to get rid of those bags and under-eye circles without even having a scar. In today's series, The New Face of Plastic Surgery, Anita Brickman from our Philadelphia station WPVI shows us how it works.
Tracy Bronner didn't like what she saw in the mirror. This 49-year-old mother was frustrated because she'd been battling under-eye bags since she was a teen, and the puffiness always made Tracy look older than her years.
Even getting a good night's rest, it wasn't, getting rid of the bags. Eyes just to be more open.
Like Tracy, 47-year-old Barbara Nazaro, who's juggling 2 jobs and working more than 70 hours a week, also felt disappointed at what she was seeing in the mirror.
When I look in the mirror, I look tired to myself. I want to look more rested.
Both women decided to take action and opted for cosmetic surgery that promises an under-eye lift without scars.
The lower lid approach that we're using today, called the transconj or transconjunctival approach, is a wonderful approach in that there's no outside cutting. There's no reason to stitch on the outside. There's no cutting on the outside. It's all done through the inside of the lid.
Dr. Andrew Elkwood performs this procedure up to 5 times a week, often combining it with an upper lid lift to create a truly dramatic difference. He says these types of procedures are very common in the months leading up to the summer.
This is a surgery that patients often like during the summer because it's very easy to hide. You're quick to get back to work, and with sunglasses, no one's the wiser.
This is how the scarless under-eye lift works. The fatty tissue is removed through an incision on the inside of the lower lid. Once the bags are gone, doctors use a laser to smooth out the skin on the outside and lessen discoloration. Philadelphia plastic surgeon Dr. Tim Greco says the laser resurfacing under the eye really makes a difference.
It will treat the condition of the skin. The laser can take care of fine wrinkles. It can help to tighten the skin.
Compared to a traditional eye lift, the scarless technique takes much less time and the recovery is quicker with less bruising. But is it all worth it?
The majority of the patients that we're seeing are patients that are baby boomers that are going on to second careers, and people just want to look as good as they feel.
I think it's a minimal procedure with maximum results.
And Anita Brickman from our Philadelphia station WPVI joins us now with more. Thanks so much for being here. So the best candidates for this particular surgery are who?
Kate, this can really work for men or women, but as you heard our doctor say, a lot of baby boomers getting it done. Right. But I think it's important to note this really addresses puffiness under the eye. People with heavy bags may need more traditional eyelid surgery.
So not for the most severe cases.
Not for heavy baggage.
Insurance will cover it or no?
Probably not. Sometimes insurance companies will cover surgery on the upper lid if there's enough drooping that it's affecting the person's vision. But under the eye, that's considered pretty much strictly cosmetic. You're paying for it out of pocket, and this procedure runs about $3,000 to $4,000.
I was going to say, and how much are we talking again?
$3,000 to $4,000 for the under eye part.
Okay, and how long does it last? Well, you get it once and you're good forever?
Maybe not forever. The aging process continues. But the good news is our doctors say the result from the scarless eye lift surgery underneath the eye lasts for years. So that's good.
Anita Brickman, thanks so much for coming up from Philly.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Great to be here.